In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the recycle bin in SharePoint using two different methods. SharePoint is a powerful collaboration platform, and knowing how to retrieve an accidentally deleted item can be a real lifesaver. So, let's dive right in and explore both the navigation and site contents options to access the recycle bin. First, let's talk about the straightforward method of accessing the recycle bin through site navigation, also known as the quick launch method. Whether you've accidentally removed a document, a list, or any other item, you'll need to start by visiting the relevant SharePoint site where the deletion occurred. Once you're on the site, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll find the Site Navigation or Quick Launch panel. Here, you're looking for the option labeled Recycle Bin, which is often found near the bottom of this list. If you find it, simply click on Recycle Bin, and you'll be presented with a list of items that have been deleted from the site. From this view, you can easily scan through the list of recently deleted items, click on the ones you wish to retrieve, and hit Restore. Keep in mind that restoring items generally requires appropriate permissions, so ensure you have the necessary access to complete this action. In some scenarios, the recycle bin might not be visible in the navigation panel. Sometimes, it might be hidden due to specific site configurations or customizations that have removed it from view. If the recycle bin isn't directly accessible through the navigation bar, don't worry. You still have another way to reach it using site contents. To do this, look for the gear icon, which represents Site Settings, usually found on the top right corner of your SharePoint site. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Site Contents. This will take you to a page that lists all content within the site. Toward the top, or within a menu on this page, you should notice a link to the recycle bin. Go ahead and click on it to view your deleted items. Once you're viewing the recycle bin, you might need to dig a little deeper for items that haven't been restored in a while. Scroll down, and you may spot a link named Second Stage Recycle Bin, or Site Collection Recycle Bin. This is for items that have passed beyond the first stage of the deletion process. However, it's important to note that reaching this stage typically requires site collection administrative permissions. With these methods, you should be able to access the recycle bin and manage your deleted items in SharePoint with ease. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful in navigating SharePoint's features effectively. Feel free to explore other videos on SharePoint for more tips and tricks.